Sun Raes. Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing a wash and go, and I'm using a combo from one of my subscribers. So they wanted me to try the Gelessence Moisturizing Gel with Jamaican black castor oil in it that looks like this. I've never used this before. They told me it's one of their favorites and that I needed to try it. So I did pick it up. I think I showed you guys this in my after Black Friday haul where I picked this up when Sally's was having their either I got this on their 4 for $20 sale or I think I got this on their 4 for $20 sale, but this was already around $5, so I just tacked this on. So I think that was during my Black Friday haul. I showed you guys this, and they said that it works with pretty much any leave-in, but they like to use it with the Curl Origin or I forgot the other leave-in. But anyway, I chose to use the Curl Origin, so we're gonna see. I haven't used this for a while. It's almost gone. I wanna go ahead and get it used up. So I have in my hair already, I put it in the shower, the Curl Origin Curl Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner from their Moisture Rich line. It has hibiscus and coconut and argan oils in it. So it looks like this. And I like this leave-in conditioner. I've used it before. So I want to go ahead and get it used up. Like I said, it's already in my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and start to apply the gel. Now this gel is supposed to be alcohol-free, formaldehyde-free, free of TEA. TEA is that ingredient that's in the Eco Styler. It's in other gels as well, but it became well known from Eco Style when people started having headaches and eye irritation and stuff like that. People were saying that it was because of the TEA. So it doesn't have any TEA in it or silicones and stuff like that. So anyway, it basically says to add to wet hair after using their conditioner. And to be honest, I do have the KeraCare Curl Essence line, and I didn't even think to use it. I just went on and used the shampoo that I already had downstairs in my bathroom. And then I deep conditioned with a new deep conditioner that I'll be doing a review on pretty soon. And then I went in with this. So I'm not using anything from the same line. But anyway, this is what the gel looks like, the consistency of it. It is a regular gel consistency. Ooh, it feels very smooth. So yeah, the consistency I like. And it just has a really light scent. You can't even hardly smell anything, at least I can't. So anyway, like I said, the leave-in is already in my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like with just the leave-in in it. And we are gonna go ahead and just start applying the gel. And like I said, they said these two, well, they said Curl Origin leave-in. So this is the one that I have. They didn't really specify which leave-in. This is the one that I'm gonna use, and I'm hoping this is the one that they're talking about. So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some to my hair. So I got a little bit out, if you can see. And I'm going to rub it on my hair. Now, they said you can be heavy-handed with this. It still won't flake, but I'm going to try not to be too heavy-handed with it, just because I don't want to chance it. So a little bit extra on the ends. Now, looking pretty good. I will say that the texture is smooth. It reminds me of, I believe it was the pattern that was real smooth like this, and then also was it the Aunt Jackie's that was real smooth, but just has a really smooth texture. And you feel like it's not going to give you a lot of hold. It feels kind of light on the hair, in my opinion. It feels kind of light on the hair, but so does the African Pride. The African Pride feels light on the hair, but then once that stuff dries, your hair has a lot of hold. So you used to kind of be able to tell by that texture whether or not someone was gonna have a whole lot of hold, but nowadays you can't really tell how much hold a product is gonna have just by how it feels initially on your hair. At least that's what I have found, because some things have surprised me. So it looks like it's defining it pretty well. I'm hoping I won't need to go get any water. I might have to go get my spray bottle because my ends are wanting to dry out a little bit. Guys, I know y'all saying she back in that same position. So if you saw any of my previous videos from this year, you probably saw that where my desk was kind of catty corner, kind of facing the door, and there was a tree back there. I was trying that out for a minute because I wanted to kind of face the window for natural lighting, and I had a whole to-do. My lights went out. I finally got them back on and working. It was a mess. But anyway, I found that direction where I had to place the lights didn't brighten up the room a lot. I felt like it looked kind of dark. Even though I was facing the window, it felt dark behind me. And I even put one light behind me to try to brighten it up, and one light in front of me, and I don't know, I still didn't quite care for the aesthetic of it or the brightness of it, so I just went on and moved it back the way I had it. And I might try it again, but I might try to move it around again, but there's not a whole lot of ways that I can move my office around without moving the big furniture, like moving this on a different wall, which who wants to do that? Moving that big all wooden shelf on a different wall, who wants to do that? So I was trying to change things around without having to move those two big pieces. And then my other little shelf over there that has my product on it is smaller, but I would still need to take all the products off of that to move it if I wanted to. And so it was just a headache. So I just moved everything back. I don't know. But I feel like if it wasn't set up like this, I probably could have a lot more space to utilize. I don't know. Anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know that I was kind of just playing around. Y'all probably figured it out, but I was just kind of playing around, and then I just decided to put it back where it was so I could hit the ground running when I started making my videos again. So far it looks like these products are mixing well together. It doesn't look like I have a lot sitting on my hair, a lot of white or anything like that. So that's a good thing. So I'm hoping that means I won't get flaky. But as you can see, that leave-in soaks in pretty good anyway. So you don't see a whole lot of hair white on my hair anyway, just from the leave-in. So that's great. Okay guys, so you see what I'm doing. I'm gonna just continue to do this around my head, and I'll be back when it's all applied. Okay guys, so I got it all applied, and I will say that my hair feels very light. The hold feels light, but I'm trusting that it's going to give me what I need. And it does look a little frizzy. So we're going to see how that works out too, because again, it may do more than I think. Oh, let me show you. So I used, if you can see, I'm about right here, a little bit deeper on this side. So I'm gonna say I used a good half of it, at least a good little. Okay, so I'm gonna say I used a little more than a third of it. So we'll see how much I have left, but I'm gonna sit under the dryer because I don't want it to freeze out any more than it is already. And I'll come back and tell you what I think about it. I will say that I did, like I said, I used a different shampoo with a conditioner, and I'll explain all that when I get back. So that could, the way that I shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned could have some effect on how my hair is looking as far as the frizz and stuff like that. So we'll see. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for the dry results. I'll be back. Okay, so I am back. It is not the same day, it's actually the next day. So when I got from under the dryer, I had been under there a whole hour and my hair was still wet and, you know, on the sides where it normally is. And so and it was kind of late in the day, so I said that I would just let it air dry the rest of the way and then come back today and stretch it. So that's what I tried to do. I tried to let it air dry the rest of the way. It was still a little bit damp when I put my lock sock on last night, but I put it on anyway just to protect my curls. Got up this morning and my hair is dry, but it still feels very soft and gummy. So when I got from under the dryer yesterday, my hair was very soft. It had no crunch whatsoever. I wasn't even sure if I stretched it, if I would have any definition left because it was just that soft. And today it is still just that soft. It's just so soft and it's somewhat sticky and it feels just a little bit gummy to me. And my hair never feels like that. And it could be because of the wash day product. So I shampooed my hair with a moisturizing shampoo, of course, but then on the back sections, I went in with a rinse out conditioner to detangle like I always do. That's nothing out of the ordinary for my routine. However, I ran out of the rinse out conditioner, so the two front sections I didn't put any rinse and conditioner. I went right in with the deep conditioner. The deep conditioner I used was a new deep conditioner. To me, it had a strengthening feel to my hair, but it is marketed as a moisturizing deep conditioner, so it could just be that I had too much moisture in my hair, and that conditioner did leave like a coating on my hair. After I rinsed that out, I went in with the leave-in. You saw that I used the Curl Origin leave-in, which is very moisturizing, and then I went in with the moisturizing gel. So all of it could be contributing to why my hair feels the way it feels. We're gonna see. It took forever, like I said, for my hair to dry, and then it just feels really soft and really gummy. And I don't mind it feeling soft, but I don't like that sticky, gummy feeling that I feel in my hair. Now, it could be that I used too much product because, like I said, I used probably a third of this jar, or a little over a third of this jar. So I may have used too much, or I may not have needed such a moisturizing leave-in. Maybe a spray leave-in would work well under this, or maybe just using this alone. I don't know. I really, really, really wanted to like this gel, and I'm not saying that I don't like it. I'm saying that I want to reuse it. I want to test it again with different products. I want to make sure that I do my regular routine, and I don't want to be trying a new deep conditioner, because that conditioner I use, which I will have a review on, is a new to me deep conditioner. With that being said, this is what my hair looks like the next day and stretched. I don't feel like it's stretched well. I had a hard time stretching it and getting it shaped the way that I want it to be shaped. I do feel like I have frizz as well as definition, but there definitely is definition. So yeah, I want to revisit this. I don't want to tell you yes or no on it yet. I don't want to say whether I'll repurchase it or not until I use it again. Okay, so yeah, because a lot of people, I've heard only really good reviews on this. I haven't really heard any bad reviews on this, so I think that I didn't do the combo right or something. So we're gonna see. With that being said, let me know in the comments section what you guys think of this wash and go. I don't feel like I have a lot of shine. I feel like my hair looks like hair, but it's borderline on the dull side in my opinion. And yeah, other people who have used it has shine. So I don't know. I messed up somewhere. I think. I want to give it another try before I give a final thought on it. I was going to just nix this whole video and try it again, but I said, nope, I'm going to let you guys see really what creators go through and just regular natural hair people go through. We don't always have the best wash and goes or the best wash days, and we got to kind of make it work. So I am going to go ahead and just make this work, deal with the stickiness for, you know, a few days, and then I'm going to retry this gel. I don't know if I'll retry it right after this. I may do something else after this. I think I want to do a twist out, but then, you know, I'll revisit this. So the subscriber who told me to try this and told me how much I would love it, don't give up yet. Just let me give it another try using some other products with it, and then I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts. But I do think that these two are probably too moisturizing together for me. That's for me, and for my hair, they're too moisturizing together. So yeah, I don't want to end up with, you know, moisture overload or, you know, anything like that. And I do use balancing deep conditioners. I do use protein deep conditioners and stuff like that. So it's not like I don't use protein in my regimen. I do, but yeah, I just came off of a really, I did just come off of a really moisturized twist out, which you probably have seen. I'll link it here. And then I went in with all this moisturizing. So that could have something to do with it too. I don't know, but we're gonna see. So guys, that's it. I'm not gonna belabor the point. I just wanted to show you that this is my hair. I like the fluffiness of it and everything. I just feel like I need to tweak it a little bit. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know if you have any suggestions on this gel, what to use with it, how it worked for you guys. Leave all that in the comment section. I'd like to hear from you. And yeah, that's it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.